morning everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now I print my coupons on Swagbucks every time because I get 1 point for every coupon that I print, so you guys can definitely do that. I do have a referral link where you guys can get a couple points just by joining in the referral in the information below. And then in another browser I use my points, so I get paid for printing coupons, and those points add up. So just want to share with you guys on that. There's some good decent coupons out there. I checked out the Walgreens app and there's actually some good ones for digital, so definitely check that out. But a lot of these are still the same available as before, so I'm just gonna kind of just go past this. Now this is a Nature's Bounty beauty supplement. It's not for the hair, nails, and stuff. A lot of people are getting that mistaken. It's for like the ones that are in the picture, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But here we have $1 off of 2 for Think calorie bars. I'm not going to print that off unless I see something coming up ahead of time. But we got the Gold Bond is still available. I'm going to print off the Aleve coupons because I might do a deal on that. But let's see what else they have available. The Gold Bond is still available. Miss Charlotte's in my arms if you guys are wondering what those noises are. But here we have $1 off of Arm & Hammer toothpaste and $3 off Schick disposables. And then another $3 off coupon. You're silly. Yes, he is. He's just like, Mom. And then we have Aveeno Baby, Aveeno Sun Care. We have $1.50 off Lubriderm. We have $4 off Aveeno Facial Moisturizer. I'm going to print that off just in case. $2 off facial cleanser, $3 off any lotion. That's a pretty good coupon. And then we have $1 off the hair care, and then $1 off any of the body wash. 7th Generation, that $1 off coupon is still available. Edge, I'm going to print that off. There was a good deal at Walgreens this week to use that. And then let's just see what other ones that they added. Not seeing very much other new ones. But that seems to be about it. The Gerber ones are still available if you guys never printed those off. The Breathe Right, Pringles, all that jazz. So I just wanted to share with you guys new coupons to print, so definitely print those off. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.